Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friend? How to earn money? Just one skill. Gather him on Facebook. Digital marketing. Okay. Digital marketing is a very important part any business development, the profit, targeted customer, targeted audience, targeted city, brand value awareness, etc. etc. Digital marketing is the best platform the worldwide. Digital marketing two part why the social media management and search engine optimization. I can open digital marketing. Digital marketing, the popular digital marketing work, the online. The number one, search engine optimization, SEO. The second, social media marketing, social media management. Number three, video marketing. Number four, e-commerce marketing. Number five, SEM. Number six, email marketing. Number seven, music promotion. Number eight, paid social media marketing. Just take a description. The social media marketing, the Fiverr's guideline follows and so digital marketing. The number one, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, SEM, local search engine, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, e-commerce video SEO. Number two, social media marketing, paid social media, influencer marketing, community management. Method of techniques, video marketing, e-commerce marketing, email marketing, guest posting, affiliate marketing, display, product, etc. And marketing strategy, marketing advice, web analytics. I can request to what you select. Number one, digital marketing. Number one part, SEO, search engine optimization. Digital marketing, the one slogan, very interesting and nice slogan, build your brand, grow your business. Digital marketing, the best slogan, I repeat again, digital marketing, build your brand, grow your business. You very easy word, social media marketing. Every know the social media platform and social media as like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr, etc. etc. Number two, video marketing. Video marketing as like video promotion, video SEO, video marketing as like social media. I can suggest the best earning the social media platform, social media lot of work, social media management, social media post design, social media ad campaign, social media template design, social media post design, social media cover, social media logo, etc. etc. Lot of work. The Fiverr suggest SEO. Oh, sorry. Social media the best SEO. The social media lot of work. The social media management, paid social media, organic social media promotion, profile setup and integration. Type of social media, digital marketing, the number two part, social media marketing. The social media marketing part, lot of part, the number one part, number one, social media management, paid social media, organic social media promotion, profile setup and integration, social content, social media strategy, analytic and tricks. Social media management, very easy and simple work. The lot of seller, the social media management income of online platform, Fiverr, Upwork, and another platform, local market, international market. Same things, selected social media platform, social media management. Number one, Facebook. Number two, Instagram. number 3 LinkedIn, number 4 Twitter, number 5 YouTube. View all another social media: Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, Reddit, Product Hunt, Kik, TikTok, YouTube, others, Discover, Twitch, Tumblr, a lot of etc. etc. I can request, and finally you're on basically YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. etc. The lot of demand: social media management, social media manager, social media management. Nice work. Thank you. Best of luck.